Okay, let's now talk about how the students will turn in their own customized map. So, on your Canvas page as a teacher, you have created this assignment. I made it just a quick fictitious one, and I called it map, and I put turn in your map, copy and paste the URL to submit your assignment. We also have here at the bottom, what I did is I gave it, it's worth 3 million points. Not really, but haha. We put it as an assignment, and then we also noticed we put it as submission type as they're turning in as a URL. You get the URL by going to your map and clicking on the share icon that is on the top line of the left part of your screen. When you click that share, it's going to look something like this. It has some settings that the students can click to allow you to view it or edit it. And what they will do, they will click the top line that says link to share. If you click it once, it'll highlight it all, and then they need to click copy. When they go back to their submission part, it's going to say file upload website URL. They will click that and then paste the URL address into that box. Now let's try to figure this out. What happens if you have a map and you have already edited and added questions to your various points? I have already previously done this in another video. Well, here's the assignment. As we type it in, we say answer the questions from the location points. What we need to do now is create a URL link. So we will click the little icon that I've got highlighted here that creates a link. We will then post our URL address that we obtained on the share screen and copying it and pasting it there. When we paste it there, it will come up as a word that says link, that it is in blue. This will allow the students to open up the map. We also need to check when we want it to, as they turn in the assignment, if you want it typed on a Google document, you need to make sure you click File Downloads in your Canvas options, or whatever type of format you want it turned in as. If you have any questions or comments, you may contact me here through YouTube, and I will try to help you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.